How to download TikTok on desktop, PC, or laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can exactly download the TikTok application on your laptop or PC. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch a web browser and then go to tiktok.com. Type in tiktok.com in the browser, hit enter, and this will take you to the official page of TikTok. Now you will see the option of Get Coins, Get App, and PC App with the download button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Download PC App, tap on Install, and sometimes it may also ask you, would you like to pin your TikTok to your taskbar or not? If you want, do it yes, and you'll be done. Now the TikTok has been installed in your taskbar. Whenever you want to open the TikTok application, you can go ahead and search for it, or if you have pinned it on your taskbar, you can directly open it from here. So go ahead and log into your specific TikTok account and you'll be able to use it, make videos, watch a lot of videos online, and post as well. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead, download the TikTok application on your PC or laptop. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.